Like it or not, wearing a mask has become a compulsion. For those of us wearing glasses, it brings along with it a challenge of our spectacle lenses fogging up when we breathe out. In today's video, we will run through some options which will help you reduce fogging on your lenses. Glasses fog up because of condensation. Condensation occurs when water vapor from your breath, your sweat, or ambient humidity lands on a surface, cools, and changes into liquid, forming a layer that you see as fog. I prefer grouping the solution into two categories. One is to prevent the exhaled air from reaching your spectacles. The other is to not allow the exhaled air to condense unevenly over your spectacle lenses once it has reached it. One way to avoid exhaled air to reach your glasses is by sealing the gap between your nose and the mask. You can use a twist tie, which is often found on wires of new electronics. You can stitch the twist tie on the nose bridge of the mask. You can either stitch it permanently or you can get a mask with an inbuilt nose grip. If you are stitching it, make sure you stitch it on the outside so that it does not touch your skin and irritate it. Another technique is to tape it down. This might come handy if you are looking at a set it and forget it approach. You can tape your mask around the nose bridge and the cheeks with sports or medical tape. Do not use duct tape or tape that was not meant to be used on the skin. Another alternate solution is to use a tissue paper. You can fold the tissue paper and place it between your nose and the mask. This will avoid the exhaled air from moving upwards and will absorb moisture and avoid fogging. You can fold the tissue paper in a variety of ways. Dirt, smudges and scratches give condensation more surface to hold on to. Keep your lenses clean. Avoid fingerprints on your lenses. Handle your lenses gently to avoid scratching. A simple way to clean your lenses is by using a gentle soap, which has properties that can reduce fogging. Because the surfactant in the soap reduces the surface tension, a thin film of water covers the lens instead of a mist. Though the lens has water or moisture on it, it allows the light to pass through without being scattered in different directions. Get your frames adjusted. If your glasses keep fogging up, allowing more airflow around the lenses might reduce the problem. Adjusting the nose pads or the arms can help keep your glasses where they belong. Frames that sit too close to your face need an adjustment by your eye care practitioner. While choosing a frame, pick one that allows adequate air circulation by not sitting too close to your face. A number of companies make anti-fog sprays and coatings, which are designed to reduce condensation on your lenses. This won't solve your foggy lens problem immediately, but since wearing a mask looks like a long-term affair, you can consider buying lenses with anti-fog coatings. Another possibility you can explore in consultation with your eye care practitioner is to switch to contact lenses. Make sure you follow every care and maintenance instruction that he or she gives you. I hope these tips are able to practically help you reduce fogging in your lenses. Do let me know in the comments below if you are able to come up with more unique ways of reducing fogging. See you in the next video.